Kevin, we're out here at Eichler today on Coney Island Avenue. We heard about this newest invention that came out, and we have to check it out. Here we have Shlomi Eichler. Shlomi, what is the newest invention that everybody's talking about?
Well, the Aish Tamid travel hat.
This is the newest thing.
It's amazing. You know, here in the world of Eichlers, we're always looking what's new in the world of Judaica. So, welcome to Eichlers here on Coney Island Avenue. I'm about to show you something of what new thing they invented.
Let's go see. I love new inventions. My viewers love new inventions. Lamazain, what's this?
So, we've always been selling for many years the original plastic holder for tefillin and talesim. More recently, we started selling a tote holder for your talis or your tefillin. Finally, somebody came up with a great invention where you can put your tefillin, your gemara, your seforim, your seforim, and your hat.
Wow, that's a yiddish. That's something new.
How often do you go home for Shabbos from yeshiva and you're schlepping bags upon bags and you'd rather have one stop shop for everything?
I love that.
Put your hat into your travel bag. You want to be able to put your gemara. You want to be able to put your tefillin. And you can put all that in one, whether you need a knapsack or if you like the old classic aftershave look.
That goes over your strap.
Over your strap, is it? You have a strap here.
Let's see how that works. Let's see how that goes,
Over
Shlomi.
your shoulder.
Wow, and that closes like that?
Closes like that with a zipper. And you have your hat in there. You can put your tefillin in there. And you can put your gemara or your seforim or your seforim.
Or your chitas, whatever it is.
Whatever you're taking with you to go home for Shabbos, you have one item that fits it all.
I love this.
And also if you like a briefcase look, which, if you're traveling,
biking,
going to...
You see Bachram all day, driving a bike with the helmet on.
And they're going home and they have a bike. So to take such an item might not be so practical if you're going to take a bus. On the other hand, if you're taking a knapsack, a bicycle is a perfect knapsack. And you have everything inside.
I love this.
This is slightly larger, so
this.
you can get some more stuff in there. So if it's a long Shabbos weekend off.
Well, he learned a lot, so he has a lot of notes to take home in the folder.
You have it all in here. Your hat will stay perfect, so it'll last longer.
Let me see the inside of the hat. How does it look, the hat section?
The hat section is similar to the
Check it out. Wow, I love this. So any hat fits in here, whether it's a beaver hat, a flach hat, a Hamburg.
We have a Bellissimo or a
Barcelino, down hat, up hat, any hat.
Inside.
So there's three sections right here, Chevra. The hat section, the tefillin section, Gemara, and then you have over here a compartment over here. Put some more notes, some pencils, pens, whatever you have. I love this, and this is not only for Bachram. This is for you light also. You go on the travel, you go to Israel, you're flying. Yeah. Instead of schlepping your hat boxes with this, you have one. Put all your stuff over here. This is your carry-on bag. You have your hat right there on top. So Shlomi, I can't say enough how much I love this idea, this new invention, this Aish Tamid patent invention. So over here it says patent pending over here. It's a patent invention. When I was a bacher, I remember I used to drive a bike, and it was always a headache. Where do I put the hat? You're wearing a helmet because you have to wear a helmet safety. Where do you put the hat? So bacher come up with all different type of patents where they put the hat, but it always comes out smashed at the end. This is the ultimate invention. It's gonna keep your hat safe, strong. Either it's on your back or it's around your, with a strap. This is the perfect bar mitzvah present. People always, what should I buy them mitzvah bacher that he's gonna use?
Right. Not
a safe he's gonna keep wrapped up for the rest of his life. It's an invention, something's going to use. This is the perfect bar mitzvah present. The bacher is going to use it 100%. If you're a father, you want to buy your son a graduation present, whatever it is, this is it. Right. I love this.
So if you're looking for a game changer in the, whether it's a bar mitzvah gift you're looking to give, or you're looking to, in general, you're a bacher in yeshiva, and you're looking to have something that's going to make life easy. It's going to change the way you travel, to change the way you go to yeshiva, the way you go to the bungalow colony, or you go on any trip.
You can go on a koil.
Anything you can imagine when it comes to travel, this is going to change how we do it.
Aish Tamid.
Aish Tamid, and here at Eichler's.
All right, Chavre, check it out, buy it, and I mentioned I'm going to see the streets flooded with this. The scooters, today everybody's driving those scooters, the electric ones.
Yeah. Well,
then
you're going to want to have
then you're going to have a knapsack right there, that one. Yeah. And if you're walking the streets, you're going with the bus, this is the one you're going to carry, the strap one over you, Chavre. Check it out. Over here in Eichler's, Aish Tamid, fine hats. Thank you, Shlomi, and have a great